Um, this is Zach Knoll. This is for CIS210, Class 4, uh, reverse Polish notation. So I'll just run you through it. I wasn't sure if you wanted it to be like read from the list, converted, and then printed. So I did that. And then I also did it so you can just enter that in. And then I pretty much the same as one of the other ones, just a couple of things stripped. Made another one to enter it in reverse. So we'll just go through them all and show that they all work the same. So first is the list. This is independent of the other two. It's just going in, grabbing it out of the text file, stripping it apart for the integers and numbers, and then throwing it into its final stack. And I made it print the original, the converted, and then the answer just so you can see everything. And you can just hit enter and run through the whole list, or hit Q to quit. So, but we'll work with this problem to keep it the same. So I'll just quit out of that one and rerun real quick. So the first one we got is entering the original. So I'll enter that, and that's the problem. You have to enter spaces in between each thing, because that's how my algorithm or code stripped apart the equation. So we got 81 times 307 times 14 plus 70. And as you can see, it does the exact same switch around. So it gives you the same answer. For this one, since it's a single equation, I gave you the option to try it again or run the other one. So now we'll run the other one, which is you have to manually convert it. But since it already did it for us here, we'll just grab that. Same thing, you gotta have spaces so it knows where to split. And it still spits that out anyways, just because. And as you can see, all of our answers ended up coming out exactly the same. So it all works. So we'll just quit out of that. So there's the main where it gives you your little menu. These three just grab the text file and split everything up. One does operators, one does integers, then one's the whole file. In here we have where all the math was taking place. It grabs the number and splits it up after it's all been ripped apart, I guess you could say. And I made different methods for self-equations or sorting through the lists from the text files or using the user-generated input. And for the user-generated stuff, you can use all four operators of the basic ones, whereas the text file I only focused on plus and multiplication because that's all you used. So for that one process, it's different. And then yeah, everything seems to work pretty good. Took a while to do all of this, but yeah, hopefully you like it. It's a couple of different files, so feel free to poke through them all. Have a good one.